So you finally decided to start working out. First of all, yes, proud of you already. But now the real question, where do you start? Do you roll out a mat in your living room or lace up your sneakers and head outdoors? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of outdoor workouts versus home workouts, especially if you're just getting started. Let's go. All right, let's talk outdoor workouts. One word, freedom. You've got fresh air, wide open space, and if you live near a park or trail, boom, instant gym. No need for equipment either. Bodyweight workouts, running, stairs, calisthenics, the world's your playground. Plus, sunlight equals vitamin D, which boosts your mood, your energy, and your overall vibe. And here's the kicker, outdoor workouts can actually feel less like working out. You're moving, sweating, but your mind's focused on the scenery, the sounds, the movement. It's almost meditative. But, and this is a big one, weather can be your worst enemy. Rain, cold, blazing heat? Suddenly, that 6 a.m. jog turns into, maybe I'll just not. Also, no equipment might be a plus, but it can limit you if you're looking to build strength or do targeted training. Now, let's talk home workouts. Biggest win? Convenience. You roll out of bed, hit play on a YouTube video, and boom, you're moving. No commute, no schedule, no excuses. It's perfect if you're just getting started and feeling a little self-conscious. No one's watching. You can mess up, pause, restart, judgment-free zone. And with all the free content online, you've got guided workouts for literally everything: HIIT, yoga, Pilates, strength training, whatever you vibe with. You can even invest in a few basics like resistance bands or dumbbells and build a super solid routine right in your room. But let's be real, home workouts can get boring. Same space, same screen, same moves. Motivation starts high, then slowly disappears into your couch cushions. And distractions? Endless. Your phone, your fridge, your dog, they're all working against you. Here's the truth, there's no best option. It's about what works for you. If you love nature, need fresh air, or want to escape the walls, outdoor workouts might just change your life. If you're short on time, want structure, or need to ease into it without leaving your house, home workouts are where it's at. You can even mix it up. Do strength at home, cardio outside, or start indoors until you build confidence, then take it to the streets. Fitness isn't one size fits all. It's about finding something you enjoy and sticking with it. So whether you're sweating under the sun or next to your sofa, what matters is this: you showed up, you moved, you got better. That's the win. If you're just starting your fitness journey, keep going. You've got this. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, are you team outdoor or team home workout?